Hey, what's up, YouTube? Guys and gals, we got $2,000 and half dollars here today. And look at this. We got those same stamps as we did a couple weeks ago where we had some really good boxes. These actually came from a Wells Fargo. Normally you get the black rolls from Wells Fargo around here, but today we got these. So we're going to go ahead and open these up and see if we have any enders. I thought that'd be kind of fun. And they all have that same stamp, and if you flip it over, look at that. So it's sealed on the bottom with the stamp as well. So let's go ahead and open a few of these up and see if there's anything good inside there. I'm excited about this. Something different. I always like something different. All right. Ooh, and it's not glued. How weird. All right, let's pop that right there, and right there. All right, come on. Oh, are they black rolls? They are black rolls. They're black rolls inside the long boxes. We only usually get the yellow rolls in these type of boxes. How weird. Let's see. I don't see any enders. Let's pull some of these out. We'll flip them. How cool. Something different. I was really hoping to see some enders though. Alright, let's flip these. Let's see what we got. Very interesting. Alright, first box. I'm not seeing any. Nothing there. All right, first box, no enders. Let's see. It's gonna make it weird. All right, let's flip this one over. Come on, give me something cool. All right. All right, our next box. Come on, enders. And not seeing any there. Let's do our little flip. See if there's anything. It's so interesting. All right. Come on, give me something. Give me an ender. Nothing there that I can see. Nothing there. No enders. All right, we got two more boxes. And nothing there. All right. Go ahead and put those back in. Get in there. All right. Let's pull this one over here. We'll pull these to the side. There we go. All right, next box. Same thing. Oh, this one doesn't have a stamp on the bottom. It's so weird. All right. Oh, what is that? Oh, weird. It is not. I thought it was something different. But it's just covered in something. That coin is covered in something, I don't know what. Just got some sort of film on there. All right, let's pull these out. Do a little flippity flop. Do an old school ender hunt here. Come on, give us one ender at least. Give me an oldie. That'd be awesome. Always something different. That's what's crazy about this. It always seems like there's something different every once in a while. You just never know what to expect. All right. So nothing there. All right, we got one more box. What's it gonna be? There's our stamps. No stamp on the bottom this time. Come on, Enders, where are you hiding? Ooh, is that one? I can't tell. No, I think it's a newer one. Sometimes the new ones look like silver at first. Not seeing anything. Let's pull a few out and flip them. We got a Benji in one of our black boxes a couple days ago. I was pretty stoked on that. We haven't had a lot of oldies lately. It's been kind of slow, but it always seems to cycle. You have good weeks and bad weeks. All right, don't see any Enders, but I just wanted to document this because it was something different, and I was hoping maybe it might have been a little bit better than what it was. There's a marked one right there, but you know what? It's all right. Can't get Enders every day. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give a like, subscribe, and share. Post your comments down below. We'll see you next time, and as always, happy hunting.